Example 1. A painter of mass 100 kg is raising himself and the crate. Such arrangement is called bosun's chair, on which he stands as shown. When he pulls the rope, the force exerted by him on the crate's floor is 450 Newton. If the crate weighs 25 kg, then find the acceleration of the system and the tension in the rope. So in the diagram given, so mass of the man given, let it be capital M, which is 100 kg, and mass of the crate is given, which is 25 kg. And if he pulls the rope with the force F, therefore the rope is connected to the crate, so therefore the same force will pull the crate upward. Now we need to calculate the acceleration of the system and tension in the rope. Tension in the rope is nothing but the force that man pulls it. So we need to calculate F and we also need to calculate acceleration. Okay. Now here they given one more point, that when he apply F force on the rope, 450 newtons he exert on the crate's floor. So he apply on the floor of the crate is 450 Newton. Therefore an equivalent normal reaction also will act on him, which is also 450 Newton. So for man, if we look at, so if we draw the free body diagram, since he is applying F force on the rope downward, so rope will apply F force on him in the upward direction. Second thing, his own weight will act downward, and he is applying 450 newtons on the floor. Therefore the floor also apply equal normal reaction on him, which is 450, and he is moving upward with acceleration A. So if we write a free body diagram, upward forces are F and normal, and downward forces are mg. So F plus normal minus mg is equal to ma. So F we don't know, we need to calculate, plus normal is 450 minus mg. Mg is nothing but his weight, which is 1000 newtons, is equal to 100 A. So F minus 550 is equal to 100 A. So this is for man. And for crate, so F force is applying in the upward direction, and crate's own weight is acting downward, that is small mg, and 450 newtons is being applied by the man on the crate's floor. So F minus 450 downward direction minus small mg will give mass times acceleration. So F minus 450 minus 250, because mass of the crate is 25 into 10, which is 250, is equal to 25A. Therefore F minus 450 plus 250, which is 700, is equal to 25A. So let us simplify equation 1 and 2. Therefore we will get force in the rope, that is nothing but the force applied by the man on the rope, and acceleration. So let me write the equation 1 over here. So F minus 550 is equal to 100A. So this is equation 1. So by subtracting, what we get? These two forces get cancelled. 700 plus 550 will give minus 150 is equal to minus 75a. Therefore acceleration will be 2 meter per second square. Since we got the acceleration, now we can calculate the force from equation 1. So F minus 550 is equal to 100 into acceleration is 2. So F is equal to 200 plus 550, which gives us 750 newtons. So the force applied by the man on the rope is 750, which is nothing but the tension in the rope as well.